Welcome dear student. In today's class we are going to see question bank question paper 21st November 9th standard English exam. Dr. Homi Bhabha Bal Vaigyanik competition 21 November. Question paper standard 9th. Question first. मित्रांनो आजच्या ठिकाणी आपण क्वेश्चन पेपर पाहणार आहोत विथ ॲन्सर उत्तरासह. हा पेपर आहे 21 नोव्हेंबर वर्ग 9वा इंग्लिश मीडियमसाठी. चला तर मग पाहूया. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. आयडेंटिफाय द करेक्ट ग्रुप ऑफ फंडामेंटल फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग: x weight, y mass, z momentum, w length, u time and v temperature. Options A, B, C and D, and the correct option is D. YWV is the correct group of fundamental physical quantity. Second question. Which of the following statements are true? First, a charged object may attract something that is neutral. Second, an atom that gains electrons becomes positively charged. Third sentence, charges are only transferred from one body to another. And fourth, an atom that gives electron becomes positively charged. Options are 1 3 4, 2 3 4, 1 2 4 and all above. Correct answer is 1 3 and 4, option A. Now third question. In the given diagram, the wooden block is tied with a thread and kept on the table. The load W is tied on the other end of the thread and the thread is passed over the pulley. Which of the following formula can be verified if we tied enough load to the thread? As shown in the figure, wooden block, pulley and W which is weight. Option A, P equal to F by A, B F equal to MA, W equal to MS, C option, and D option is V equal to U plus AT. Here the correct option is C, W equal to Fs. Question number 4. In which of the following position the person exerts minimum pressure on the earth? Option A, standing erect on head, sitting on the floor, standing on the leg, sleeping on the back. Correct option is D, sleeping on the back. Question number 5. Which of the following physical quantity does not have a unit joule? Work, A work, B specific heat, C energy and D heat. Correct option is B specific heat. Question number 6. Select from the following The factors affecting the buoyant force acting on the body impressed in the liquid. First, density of liquid. Second, volume of the object. Third, volume of liquid. Fourth, density of object. And fifth, depth of liquid. Correct options first 1 2 means A12, B12, 134, C245 and D 1234. Choose the correct option. The correct option is A 1 and 2. Question number 7. Select the correct freezing point of water in Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit, Kelvin from the following. A 23rd, B 0, C 32 and D 32. Correct option is C 32 degree Fahrenheit oblique 273 K. Question number 8. Which of the following effect can be on air sealed in metal bottle kept in ice? X. Volume of air will increase. Y. Volume of air will decrease. Z. Pressure of air will increase. And W. Pressure of air will decrease. The options are A Y W, B X Z, C only Z, and D Y Z. The correct option is A Y W. Question number 9. Angle between two plane mirrors is 120. Object P is kept at a distance 4 cm on its bisector as shown in the diagram. Select correct parameter of triangle having vertices object P and its image in both plane mirrors as shown in the figure. P is a bisector. So the options are 12 root 3, 36 cm, 12 cm, 24 root 3 cm. Correct answer is A 12 root 3 cm. Question number 10. A mole is running on circular path with a radius 70 meter. In 44 seconds, he returns to his original position. The select Then select the proper alternative showing his speed x and average velocity y from the following. Now the correct option is A x 10 and y 0. Now question number 11. Observe the velocity time graph carefully and determine distance covered by object D, its average velocity v and acceleration a during the time interval of 5 to 30 seconds. Options A, B, C, D, and correct option is A. Question number 12. Compressed water vapor are sent on turbines as shown in the figure. Select proper alternative about the forms of an energy at PQRS. Options A kinetic, Q potential, R mechanical, and S electrical energy. B potential energy, Q kinetic energy, R kinetic energy, S. Light energy. So the correct option is D. P. Heat energy. Q. Kinetic energy. R. Mechanical energy. And S. Electrical energy. Now question number 13. Select proper pair of physical quantity and its unit from the following: force, work, power, pressure. Correct option is C. Power. Question number 14. Select the following and correct reason of connecting all domestic electrical appliances in parallel. The correct option is E. 1, 2 and 4. Question number 15. Select from the following correct scientific reason of getting distinct color of rainbow. Options A, B, C and D. Correct option is C. Question number 16. Three mirrors, three mirrors are created from a single glass sphere. Then select the factor from the following which will not be common. PQRS. Options E, B, C and D. Correct option is D. Question number 17. Select odd one out considering the units of same physical quantity. A, B, C and D options. Correct option is B. Question number 18. R1, R2 and R3 are three resistors connected in parallel. R2 equal to 2R1, R3 3R1. If the resultant resistance Rp is 6 ohm, then determine the correct value of R1 from the following. Correct option is C. 11 ohm. Now question number 19. To complete the given electric circuit, select the proper group component connected at PQRS as shown in the figure. Options are A, B, C, D. Correct option is B. Now question number 20. Select the proper group of false statement about the velocity of sound in gaseous medium. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the sentences, and options 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3 and 2, 4. Correct option is C. 1, 3. Dear student, we see the all questions carefully and their options and choose the correct option. मित्रांनो, यासारखे सर्व प्रश्न तुम्ही व्यवस्थित हाताळा, त्याचा अभ्यास करा आणि योग्य ऑप्शन निवडून सेंटेन्स पूर्ण करा. तर बघा, हा 22वा प्रश्न आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. Which of the following physical quantity of the body do not change at the time of its free falling? 26, 27. Select the correct ascending order of resistivity of given metals: aluminum, platinum, copper and nichrome. Select odd one out from the following. (29, 30). There are 100 questions with options and correct options. या ठिकाणी 100 प्रश्न आहेत. ते काळजीपूर्वक वाचा, त्याचे ऑप्शन्स पण वाचा आणि करेक्ट ऑप्शन निवडा. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ग्रुप ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड्स. ऑप्शंस ए बी सी डी. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी. मित्रांनो, हा प्रॅक्टिस पेपर आहे, तुमच्या माहितीसाठी दिला या ठिकाणी. अशाच प्रकारचे प्रश्न येणाऱ्या परीक्षेमध्ये येऊ शकतात. क्वेश्चन नंबर 51. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग कोरिलेशन्स. Question number. Following diagram shows the permitted method of softening hard water. Select correct options of PQRS. Observe the following figure and choose the correct sequence of PQRS. Which of the following plant has false stem? Which of the following process of production is related to biotechnology? मित्रांनो, अशा प्रकारे या ठिकाणी टोटल क्वेश्चन्स 100 आहेत विथ ऑप्शन. त्याचे ऑप्शन पण दिलेले आहेत, त्यामधून योग्य ऑप्शन पण दिलेला आहे. त्याचा तुम्ही सराव करा. Which of the following factor does not use in MRI? Magnetic field, computer, X-ray, radio waves. Correct option C, X-rays. Question number 100. Choose the correct color of hottest star from the following. Red, yellow, blue, green. Correct option is blue. That is the end of question paper with options and correct options. तर मित्रांनो, अशा प्रकारे या ठिकाणी आपण 100 प्रश्न पाहिलेले आहेत, त्यांच्या ऑप्शन आणि आन्सर सहित. तर मित्रांनो, भेटूया पुढच्या सत्रामध्ये एका दुसऱ्या नवीन पेपर